A short story. Once upon a time, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. Among them were a wise eagle, a playful squirrel, a gentle deer, and a clever fox. One sunny day, a small bunny caught in a trap. The bunny was scared and in pain, unable to free itself. The animals knew they had to help. The eagle used its wisdom to come up with a plan. The squirrel quickly gathered some sticks, while the deer used its gentle touch to comfort the bunny. The fox, with its cleverness, figured out how to release the trap without harming the bunny. Together, they worked as a team, freeing the bunny and ensuring its safety. The bunny hopped away happily, grateful for the kindness shown by its newfound friends. Moral: when we work together and show empathy, we create a world where everyone can thrive and be happy. Thank you for watching.